In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Zoho Books invoice. To get started, sign into your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard, where you can access all your accounting and sales documents. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, since invoices can only be edited inside the right company profile. Next, go to the Sales section and select Invoices. This will open your invoice list, where you can browse through existing records. From here, find the invoice you want to edit and open it. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that you've selected the correct invoice before making any changes, especially if you're working with similar invoice numbers or customers. Once the invoice is open, click the Edit button at the top of the page. This will switch the invoice into editable mode and allow you to update the information directly. Start by updating the customer information if needed. For example, you may need to correct a customer name, billing address, or other related details. Be careful here because customer information affects how the invoice appears when it's shared or printed. After that, review the main invoice details. You can update the invoice date, due date, payment terms, or invoice number depending on what needs to be corrected. These fields are important because they affect payment timelines and record accuracy, so take a moment to make sure everything matches your intended billing schedule. Then move down to the item table, where you can modify the products or services listed on the invoice. You can add new items, remove items that should no longer be there, or edit the existing ones. As you do this, also adjust the quantities, rates, discounts, or tax settings whenever necessary. Even small changes here can affect the final total, so accuracy is important. Next, scroll to the Notes and Terms sections. If needed, update the customer notes or the terms and conditions. This is useful if you want to clarify payment instructions, revise service details, or include updated invoice-related information. Before saving, review the subtotal and total carefully. Make sure the numbers reflect all the changes you made and that nothing looks off. This final review helps prevent mistakes from being sent to the customer. Once everything looks correct, click Save to update the invoice. If you also want to send the revised version to the customer, click Send Email and continue with the delivery process. And that's it. You've successfully edited a Zoho Books invoice and updated it for accuracy. Thanks for watching.